wheelchair build 7. All right, we're taking this bad boy to the welder today. All right, we got the criminal going on. Ready to go. Wheelchair in the back, and we're ready. All right, we dropped it off here at the Contra Costa Metal Fab. My wing contact wasn't here, Todd. He retired, but Zach is going to be taking care of the wheelchair, and let's have this happen next week. All right, so back at home tonight. Had a day at work. Dropped the wheelchair off. Welder should get that back a couple days, he said. So we'll be waiting for that. In the meantime, I still have that carbon plate that needs to be kind of reinforced. So we're gonna do some reinforcing. I got a little design for well, we printing a little bit of 3D printing some stuff up. Got a little design for a little seat holder. I'll show you how that will go. Other than that, we'll try to make a couple little things and see how other things go. It's kind of late though tonight, so I can't really use any saws. So maybe we'll use a saw. Okay, well maybe we'll use a saw. All right. Other than that, let's go see what the little design is. Okay, I got my little on-shape program going on here. I got this little seat holder, right? So then I'll bond it to the carbon plate here. That little round spot is where that goes onto the tubing. I got a hole right there that goes through, so it'll be bolted down, and then this will get bonded to the carbon plate. Then I'll do 2 small little like 1/4 inch pieces that go all the way across the seat plate on both sides of this thing. And we'll make 2 of those, and then we'll make I think I need 6 of these for each side, and we'll bond those in place. Holes and stuff are just to make it a little bit lighter. And I have some carbon fiber, well, I have some carbon filament that I will be using for those things. All right, I got the 3D printer going. I'm just printing one of those pieces just to see how it fits. And I'm not printing it out of the carbon filament right now. Just some black regular filament. I'll show you the carbon filament when I start printing all of them. All right. So this sheet here, I'm gonna run it through here. Get some 1/4 inch pieces. I need about 4 1/4 inch pieces. They'll use that for the side stripe. Well, you'll see, right? Then I got this other piece over here that I'm gonna use for the top. Go across the top to fill in gaps, things like that. All right, that little test print is done. Ooh. Boom. Ooh, look at that. Here we go. All right, so I got my little piece of metal here that's the same size as the tubing on my frame. And I got my little test fit piece here. Just need to make sure that, see how that fits on that frame. Like that, see? And then we'll have a piece of carbon fiber will go across the top of it like that. Right? Then I'll have a small piece that goes underneath here. All right, so I'm gonna take this little small piece. I'm gonna use it as a guide to go right into here. So I cut the same size, right? So that saw blade, right? It'll be close, it won't be perfect. This saw never cuts. It cuts okay. You gotta straighten it out a little bit, but it'll do for what I need. And then what I can do later on, I can whip out underneath the drill press is a router. I'll whip out the router and I'll cut straight sides for it. Bam. are. All right, well, it's a new day. Got the wheelchair back from the welder. Of course, you know, that was a couple days ago, and now it's a new day, and now it's all that kind of day. But there you go, got that back. Hold on. All right, this is one side that I've already smoothed out the weld on. You can see I just got to blend this a little bit more, and we're rocking. Whew. This is how I got it. So you can see the difference between that side and this side, right? And I got those welded in. That's nice. That welded in, yes. The only thing, if you just set it flat, it's got a little tilt. I'll have to go and try to get it bent so it stays level. Other than that, we're rocking. Got the little 3D print parts. Got the little 3D print part in. That fits really nice. Both sides. I'll have to make like 6 or 7 of them for each side. Whoa, and thinking of 3D printing, I have these old ones that I made for the axle hanger, and then I am printing new ones. Got the printer going here, those going on there, and I'll show you what the new ones look like. I did some modifications to them, and I'll show you the difference when I get those done. Other than that, that's all I got going on for tonight. I'm gonna get that wheelchair all smoothed out, and we'll get that done, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna be doing next. The next video will be about getting that carbon plate, putting a little bit more strength to the sides to it, bonding those 3D printed pieces. Well, I have to make those out of carbon filament first. Yes. All right. That's all I have for you tonight. Peace. Have a good day.